Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Let's get started by exiting the previous project and or using our trusty Ctrl+N and Ctrl+S key to start the project. Name the file to your choosing. In order to gather user input, first we have to declare the variable on the left hand side. In this case we're calling the variable name. After this, you place an equal sign, type input, followed by an optional prompt within the parentheses. Alright, after testing it, we'll take it a step further just for fun. This exercise is built upon the previous Python lesson. Thank you for watching.